Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful week. So today is a clean with me my living room. Okay guys, so I'm going to be tidying my living room up, doing a bit of dusting, clean, hoovering. Yeah, that's it, dusting and hoovering. Okay guys, hope you will enjoy this video just to motivate someone. All right guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using some of my cleaning supply. I got some tissue paper here to clean glass, okay, and I'm going to be using this Dettol surface cleaner antibacterial. I got my mini duster. This one is extend. I'm not using the fluffy white one today. This one extend, as you can see. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using this my cloth to wipe the inside of the cabinet. I rinsed it and squeezed the water out, okay, and of course tissue. Okay guys, so that's all I'm going to be using. So the first thing I'm going to do, as always, the first thing to do is to dust. Okay guys, you dust first before you start wiping the surface. I don't want the camera light to be too much, that's why I'm standing a bit awkward. Okay, yeah guys, so I'm going to dust first, and then I'll start, when I finish dusting, cleaning everywhere, then I'll start the hoovering, and that's it really. Hopefully somebody get motivated. Give a shout out quickly. Shout out to Sheila, shout out to Slice of Sam, shout out to Stay Sweet Cousin, shout out to Victoria, shout out to Family Shops Groups. Okay guys, so shout out to A Slice of Sam. Why I said so again, A Slice of Sam is a YouTuber, A Slice of Sam. Okay, go and support him. And also Still Sweet Cuisine, as in STELL. Still Sweet Cuisine. It's a YouTuber, content creator. Please head to their channel. When you get there, say Sophia Space sent you. Okay, and Family Shops Group, something like that. Okay guys, so when you get to their channel, tell them I sent you over. So shout out to my amazing subscribers. Okay guys, so let's get cleaning. Please give this video a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Okay guys, so let's continue our cleaning, or let's start our cleaning. Okay guys, so I also use my Dettol. I use it to also clean this my bowl. So I bought this bowl. I have a haul, but this particular one I bought it from the range. This was £6.99. Okay, I like both of them, so I don't even know. I put one at the bottom of the table, so I've got my cloth here for glass. So you saw me using tissue paper earlier on. I used kitchen towel paper. That's because I didn't want to use the cloth just yet. I wanted to wipe the liquid this off the surface with tissue before it, since for me I feel it's not cleaner and I can wipe it several times before I use the cloth. So that's why I was using the kitchen tissue paper earlier on. So now I'm using the cloth. You can see how shiny that is now. Yeah, so I use my glass cloth, okay, and with the Dettol. I like the Dettol because it's antibacterial. So, and it also cleans very well, as you can see. It cleans the table, cleans the bowl very well as well. I also use a glass cleaner as well, okay. So now I'm going to be using it again, the cloth now, because I've used the tissue paper already for this table. So now I'm going to be using the cloth to wipe. I've sprayed it now, that's it. So I'm going to wipe it, and then I'm going to clean just dust my office area just here, and then I'll start to move. I've already dusted every other places already. I didn't include it because the video will be so long. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish cleaning the table again. I've wiped the TV surface again with the cloth, okay, and then I'm going to finish the office section and then start to move. Okay guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bell when you do subscribe. All right guys. Okay guys, so I'm done. Yeah, I'm done now. My lighting is a bit dark somehow. Okay, I think it's getting brighter now. Yeah guys, so I'm done. So let me just show you guys around and we can end the vlog. Okay guys, so I've cleaned everywhere. I've dusted my TV, my chairs, everywhere looks lovely. My office, I have some stuff I need to pack to dispatch. They are the one there, but I have tidied everywhere, hoovered everywhere. Okay guys, dust my cabinet over there, my tables, everywhere is hoovered. And okay guys, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. When you do subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Shout out to all my amazing members. Shout out to Sheila. Shout out to Stay Sweet Cuisine. Shout out to Slice of Sam. Shout out to Family Shops Groups. Shout out to Victoria. Shout out to all my amazing members. Thank you all for your support. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.